guys, and welcome to my channel. If you watched my clean with me video that I just put up, you'll know that this is kind of my kitchen deep clean, sort of. I want to clean up the fridge and get stuff off the fridge and just scrub it up because my landlord has to come and take a look at it. So I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to wipe down all the cupboards and the drawers, and just, it's grubby. I typically will do this once a week, and by this I mean just like wash down the cupboards and everything. So when I was gone, Dan obviously didn't do that. So that's 5 weeks, and then I haven't done it since I've been home just because I've been so busy trying to figure things out. So it's been a while, and it's pretty disgusting. So I'm going to turn you around and show you what I'm working with here, and then we'll get started. Okay, so this is my kitchen. It's small and very compact. So if you look, the stove, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there you go. We're keeping it real, guys. It's nasty. And then I need to change inside here, and then just wipe it down. Cupboards. Now, I'm gonna be honest here with you. The cupboards are bad, but a lot of these marks I cannot get out. I've tried everything, and that's why they're being painted when we start renos. So, yeah. These actually aren't horrible. Microwave is what it is. Kitchen, or this is the side of the fridge. That's disgusting. So it looks like somebody got sick and it ran down the fridge, and that's just awesome. And then the front of the fridge, I just want to like clean all this stuff up and make it look okay. The worst of it is down here. It's really bad. I don't even know what the heck Dan's been doing, but it's disgusting, and I didn't even notice it. Look at these drawers. Like, that's horrible. Horrible. So I really have no idea what Dan did. I'm thinking he had a lot of parties. I'm really thinking so. No, he's perfect and awesome. Well, maybe not perfect. So yeah, so I'm gonna get started and take you along with me. Okay, so I just went to my cleaning shelving thing. I think I showed you. It's behind my door in my room. I found these. I totally forgot I even got them. But they're the Great Value cleaning eraser. So it's basically a magic eraser, Walmart brand. So I think I'm actually going to try this, and then what I'll do is, if it's working, obviously I'll use them, and then I'm going to go over it with a Lysol wipe, just so that we kill anything that may be living here. So I'm going to set you guys up, and we're going to get started. So now I'm going to get a towel, and then I'm going to get down on the floor and do the front cabinets. and then I will do the stove and then the fridge. So I think I have a plan. So I will be right back. Okay, I'm on the floor. And I think I want to throw up. It's actually a lot worse than I thought it was. And I'm going to show you guys because I want to keep it real. So let me flip you around. Yeah. I am pretty disgusted and sickened by the actual state of these cupboards. Yeah, so let's get scrubbing. Okay, that was, honest to God, the most revolting thing ever. I even went along the edges of the floor, just trying to dry it. Look at that. I'm slightly disgusted and embarrassed. Yeah. So I'm going to move on to the fresh new one. I'm in a mess right now. It is so hot today, and I don't even know why. Like, we're into September. I'm hot. I'm like disgusting and sweaty, but I'm almost done. So I got the stove done. I replaced everything, cleaned it. I think it looks pretty good. I do want to do the backsplash beside the stove yet. I'm going to do that right now, and then I'm going to move on to the fridge. that's it. I'm done. It is too hot for me doing this. I'm going to leave the top of the fridge for Dan, so he can stand on a chair and he can do that for me. But other than throwing some more stuff out, I'd say that's about it. So thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you're new, please subscribe and join my YouTube family. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.